welcome to our short video where we're going to explain to you a little bit about the new push-to-talk over cellular platform that Syndico is bringing to market in coordination with our colleagues at Push-to-Talk International. What we're going to tell you about today is a little bit about why Syndico have chosen to bring the platform to market. We're going to talk to you about the equipment that we're bringing to support the platform. My colleague Tim Allerton from Push-to-Talk International is going to tell you a little bit about the push-to-talk over cellular market. And my other colleague, Brett Smith, also from Push-to-Talk International, is going to give you an overview of some of the service highlights from the system. Why did we bring Push-to-Talk over cellular to the market? Finally, we found a system that actually works. These guys have been doing this for nearly 10 years now, and I can confidently say that it's the best Push-to-Talk over cellular platform that we've come across and gives a full all-round service to the end user. We've also found the correct hardware. We've searched high and low. Although this is a system-based application, it's also very much dependent on the hardware being right, and we found that now. I want to address very briefly the impact of push-to-talk on PMR. There's no situation where we see this conflicting with existing PMR solutions. It's very much to address wide area solutions, which is a completely different area. We firmly believe that you guys as resellers need a solution for wide area provision, and also the timing is perfect. Tim's going to show you the development of PMR, push-to-talk over cellular solutions in the marketplace, and how they've come on recently. So to briefly touch on the equipment, we've brought you a good, better and best solution. As always, Syndico has brought you the very best products on the market. We have an entry-level solution which RRP is at £200, which is the SY385. As you can see from the slide here, it's very entry-level equipment, great for rough environments or higher fleets. Then we have the SY580 product. This is the one that we think is really going to change the marketplace and be the most popular product in the portfolio. Have a look out for the SY580. We'd love to show you a little bit more about it if you want to come and visit us. We have the SY6, which although it looks like a smartphone, is very much a two-way radio product with cellular functionality. That RRP is at £320. So again, very, very price competitive. We've also brought a new brand to the marketplace, which is SYMPOC. This should help our resellers in a variety of ways. We do have exclusivity on all the equipment that we're talking about today, and we believe that we'll be able to protect you guys and guarantee the supply and quality by bringing this SYMPOC brand to the marketplace. The PTI platform is very price competitive these days as well. As you can see here, recommended retail price of £70 for a subscription to the dispatcher, and a recommended retail price of £70 on each subscription to a portable. Data charge can be as little as £6 per 500 megabytes per month, and we also have a higher option which is £3.75 circa per week, which would include your data and the push-to-talk over cellular subscription. So fundamentally, in summary, we've brought you the best software platform on the market. We certainly have the best hardware on the market. We'd love you to take a look at this equipment. Syndico will always be in stock all of the time, as is our guarantee on PMR hardware. We're going to make it really easy for you to order the equipment, and you'll benefit from the same first-class customer service that Syndico always offer, as well as our technical training and sales and marketing support. I'll now hand you over to Tim from Push-to-Talk International, who will tell you about the market.
My name is Tim Allerton. I'm the Managing Director of Push-to-Talk International. PTTI was created in 2007. Everybody in PTTI is ex-two-way radio. I myself started my career at Pi Philips, and Brett, who you can meet shortly, is ex-Motorola. So we all understand the PMR world. All staff are based in the UK. The PTTI software that we have is importantly a standard. It's called PoC-IT. It's Open Mobile Alliance Push-to-Talk over Cellular. We're fully compliant as a standards-based company, and we very much back and support standardisation. Those of you who understand what's going on in the UK world, ESN, the Emergency Services Network, is based on this standard, and that's what's going to be replacing the current PMR standard Tetra. Our server is hosted in central London at Canary Wharf at a Tier 3 hosted centre, so it's as best as we can possibly get. The software is developed, the software engineers are based in the UK, so if one of your customers needs something slightly different, let us know. Likelihood is we can help you and we can do it. The support staff is also based in the UK. You pick up the phone, you speak to somebody in the UK with a regional accent. As I said, all the staff are PMR trained. PTTI is the largest existing PTTI subscribers, as Andy said, and we've been around since 2007. It's only now that we've sort of felt that the product is really ready for the dealer and the distribution market. So we've already got an existing fairly substantial customer base. We bring the entire package together with Syndico, so we have the SIMs, we have the software with the seat license, we have the support. Syndico, together with us, brings a complete turnkey solution. We see this as a PMR evolution. So, as you can see, analog radio, MPT 1327, Tetra radio, DMR, we've been involved, along with Syndico, for all of them. We understand it, we don't see this as a threat, we just see it as a next natural evolution. PTT business radio, as Brett will tell you, is really bringing your own national radio system inside your own capability. The LTE MCPT mission critical push to talk, that's coming, that's all going to be part of ESN. So we don't see this as a threat, it's a natural evolution. We've seen more work, more happening in the last 2 years than we have over the last 10 years actually. And I won't go through this great big long list, but as you can see, there's been more announcements, more work going on in PTT over the last couple of years than the previous lot of years. So, it's meant to be large government organisations migrating from radio systems such as MPT 1327, Tetra radios, and we really believe now, with the onset of this new two-way radio, a cellular device that Andy's talked to you about, it's really ready for the mass market now, and is ideal for the dealer channel to take to market. I'm now going to hand you over to Brett Smith, and he'll tell you a little bit more about the technology. Thanks very much.
Thanks, Tim. So now's my opportunity to talk to you about the push-to-talk service. Now, the great thing about push-to-talk is that it is an IP-centric service. So everywhere you've got IP, you've potentially got the ability to get on to your wide area group communication network. And really, push-to-talk allows you to become a nationwide radio operator using IP infrastructures and blending them together. The key things to remember are that if you can get onto an IP network with your devices or your dispatcher, be it in a coffee shop, be it on your broadband, or using the SIM packages that we offer, you can start to deliver a wide area or even an international group communication capability to your customers. The key building blocks of the service in terms of feature set revolve around what you would know within the professional mobile radio space. They include things like one-to-one calling, group calling, a chat channel capability, which is like your virtual frequencies. You've got the ability to have preemption and SOS alarm calling as well. There's instant messaging within the service, and the other great thing about push-to-talk is that the flexibility of the service is deliverable over the air. So the fleet plan that you put on your device can be synced with the server without having to code plug flash the radio. That makes for rapid deployment and great system support when you've got people in the field and you need to react swiftly. We've also got a dispatcher solution. The dispatcher solution gives you the ability to have recording. You've got a lone working capability in there. You've got tracking capabilities for all the devices that Andy's mentioned. So in all, you've wrapped up within the one push-to-talk package an array of capabilities that hopefully will meet those needs of your wide area group communication users. If you want to learn more, come and see us. We'll talk you through the whole portfolio in a bit more detail, but hopefully that's given you an insight into what's available. Thanks for watching.
Thanks very much for watching our short video today. We're really interested in doing business with you. If you'd like to become a reseller or you'd like some more information on the product, please contact us on any of the details on the slide there. We're looking forward to taking your call. Thanks very much.